This is the Watch Luna, and it's always on mode, flipping over into a watch face, which it can go back into always on. Twist of the wrist, bringing it back. Beautiful AMOLED screen on this one. All the controls you need for your do not disturb, your low power mode at night if you'd like to, your brightness level, flashlight, your QR code type cards are in here, and you've got your overall settings as well. When you swipe up, you get notifications sent from your phone, your activity of daily activity of step count, calories burned, with the chart showing you your daily and your 7-day totals in here. You got last night's sleep time, including the chart that shows you where you were awake, light, REM, and deep sleep. You've got heart rate showing you instantaneous one. If you touch that, it'll give you your current heart rate, your max and min throughout the day, and a daily chart is shown here. You have blood oxygen, similar kind of thing where you can take an instant reading, and it uses the red diode technology on this. You also have data for the last 7 days that are listed in here. This includes stress, showing you your maximum and minimum and where you are throughout the day in your level of stress. Great to check out to see if you're getting a little too high and maybe want to throttle things back again. You've got your weather in the city of your choice. Highs and lows are shown for your forecast throughout the week. And then you're back to your opening watch face, of which there are several stock faces in here, and custom ones that you can download directly from their watch store. You have all the different apps in here as well. When you swipe over to the right, your activity, all of these things we've already seen. Your sports modes and exercise records are available in here. The weather, the remote camera and music player, Siri is available. You've got ladies cycle tracking in here, a calculator, games are even in this one. This one comes with a nice purple band. There's a ladies version with a pink band as well. It's well built, nice overall design, waterproof with an AMOLED screen. It's called the Watch Luna. Check it out.